Hello, I'm Rachel and today we're going to propagate begonias using 3 different methods. Begonias make fantastic houseplants with their large ornamental leaves, and it's very easy to propagate them and get lots of baby plants that are identical to the parent. Now, different varieties require different propagation methods, but I'm going to show you 3 of those. Spring is the best time to propagate begonias, although certain varieties can be done at any time of year. For all propagation methods, we'll need a mix. Use 50% potting compost, 25% perlite and 25% vermiculite. The first and easiest propagation method is a stem cutting. You will get 1 plant for each successful cutting. Cut off a youngish leaf with a good stem. Pop the stem in a glass of water. Don't change the water, as this will get rid of any rooting hormone your cutting has built up in the liquid, but do top up the water as needed. Our second propagation method involves a piece of begonia rhizome. You'll get 1 plant from each successful cutting. Cut a length of rhizome that includes a growth node. Lay the rhizome piece horizontally on the soil and cover it about halfway. Water your cutting and cover it with an airtight lid or cling film. You shouldn't need to water again until you remove the lid. Our third and final propagation method involves a leaf, and it's the most fun. It will produce masses of baby plants. Place your mix in a shallow dish, tamp it down and moisten it well. Choose a youngish, fresh leaf. Remove the leaf stem and with a sharp sterilised knife, slit the veins on your leaf horizontally, trying to damage the soft leaf tissue as little as possible. Lay your leaf on the mix, cut side down, and weigh it down so the cuts come into intimate contact with the mix. Cover with a lid or cling film. In 6 weeks, you should see leaves develop from the cut points. The parent leaf will then begin to disintegrate. For all 3 propagation methods, keep your cuttings in a bright position out of direct sun at room temperature. And with the water method, when the roots are many and strong, then you can pot on your cutting. But with the other 2 methods, when leaves appear, remove the lid and start watering. Pay particular attention to watering until your cuttings have hardened and can be potted on. So, if you want more begonias, you know what to do, and one of these 3 methods is bound to suit you. But why not have fun and try all 3? Happy growing!